Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be highlighting a NPM package that one of my Discord members created. This package allows you to essentially clone, install all the packages, and open your favorite IDE all in a single step. The name of the package is Git Ultimate Cloner, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, what it looks like, and how to use it. So let's get started. So here we are in the terminal and we're going to install the package globally so we can use it wherever we want. I've tested this on both Mac and Windows, but we'll be using Windows for this demo. So you do npm install globally and the name is Git Ultimate Cloner. And once that's fully installed and the package is installed, I'll meet you back and I'll show you how to use it. The package has been installed and now we can start using it. So what's great about this is first you can just do something like this, quick clone, and then give a name to a package. So we'll just do my blog, which is github.com/perkinsjr/blog.jamesperkins.dev. And you get this nice message that just checks to make sure you have everything installed. Then it clones the package, gets all the yarn packages, and boom, you're all ready to go in Visual Studio Code, and you can start coding away, and you don't have to worry about opening this, installing packages. Everything is done in a single step. If you're like me, you probably use a directory over and over again for all your projects. So what you can do is actually set the default path so that every time you do quick clone, it will just clone to that directory regardless to where you are. So you can do that by doing quick --set folder default. So you tell it the default folder and then you give it to it. So for me, it is C development and then you hit enter. And that's now the default paths. So if I go back a directory here and let's remove my blog. And we just wait a few seconds. And now if we cd to another directory and then we do the same command here, once it's finished and opened in VS Code, what you should see is it actually be in that C development directory again. So if we go to CD development and we do ls, you'll see that this is now back and has been freshly cloned. So now it doesn't matter where you are, as soon as you open the terminal, you can clone in one step and automatically have it open with Visual Studio Code, which for someone like me who clones quite a few different projects, it really helps out. Another cool thing is, even though I've set this default, I've gone back into my demo directory, and let's say that you wanted to clone again, but you didn't want to have to deal with it. So let's just look quickly. We still have this. So let's remove the blog again, and then we'll do quick clone and the directory. So github.com/me/blog.jamesperkins.dev. You can now do -- folder and say current, and it will clone it right into this current directory instead of your default one. So if you have a specific project, you can do that too. So I think this project is super cool and a great idea, and I'll be using it in pretty much any of my regular day-to-day work because it just makes it a lot easier than having to remember to do all of the steps. Now, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The package will be linked in the description. Make sure you join the Discord to have friendly chat with other developers. And until next time, see ya.